How to fix slow internet on Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra. First method, check the network signal in the status bar on your device. If poor network signal, you will be facing the slow internet connection or internet not working on your device. Second method, restart your phone. Swipe down the notification panel at the top. Tap the power button icon at the top. Now tap on a restart. Now tap the restart to restart your phone and check the fix slow internet issue on your S24 Ultra. Third method, turn airplane mode on or off. Swipe down notification panel. Here you can see flight mode. Tap on it. Wait until 5 seconds. After then turn off. Now turn on the mobile data and check fix the slow internet issue on your device. Fourth method, change the network mode 4G to 5G or 5G to 4G. Open the app drawer on your device. Tap the settings app. Tap on a connection. Tap on a mobile networks. Tap on a network mode. Now choose LG, 3G, 2G and check the mobile data. Or choose 5G, LTE, 3G, 2G and check the internet is working or not on your device. In the fifth method, check for a software update. Go to settings. Scroll down at the end. Tap on a software update. Tap on a download and install. Now here you can see checking for update. Now your software is up to date. If available update, update your Samsung S24 device. Sixth method, reset the network settings or reset mobile network setting. Go to settings. Again scroll down up to general management. Tap on it. Scroll down. Tap on a reset. Now scroll down. Here you can see reset mobile network setting. Tap on it. Tap on a reset setting button to reset all mobile network setting. Unlock your phone. Now tap on a reset button to reset your mobile network settings to default network. Now network setting reset on your device. Now turn on mobile data and check fix the slow internet issue on your device. If you still facing the issue, contact your carrier support. That's it. Please like it, share it.